Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon roll intestines. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need some of the Grands cinnamon rolls. It has to be the Grands because those are the kind that come apart. And then you need some red food coloring. Preheat the oven per the back of the box and then go ahead and unroll your cinnamon rolls and just put them in a 9x13 baking dish sprayed with cooking spray, and I just made mine look like intestines. So now we're going to bake them per our package. My cinnamon rolls just came out of the oven, so I heated up my cream cheese frosting just for about 10 seconds in the microwave. Now I'm going to add my food coloring. That looks great, so now I'm just going to drizzle it all over my intestine cinnamon rolls. My intestine cinnamon rolls are all ready to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Happy Halloween.